This quick tip is for formatting Word headers. If you're in a Word document, and generally this also works for Google Documents, and you want to change the style of a header or a heading, you can do so with keyboard shortcuts. So for the first header, which you'll only ever want one header 1, Ctrl+Alt+1 would make it into a heading 1. It was already heading 1. And then I go to the next one and click on it or highlight it, and then the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl+Alt+2 will make it into a heading 2, and then Ctrl+Alt+3 would make it into a heading 3. Those are the defaults, and technically heading 4 and heading 5 do not have any keyboard shortcuts added to them. However, you could add them manually. The second heading tip is to change multiple headings at the same time. So in this document, you can see these 4 items are all header 1s, and I want the 3 following heading 1 to be heading 2s. So I'm going to highlight the first heading, hold down Control on my keyboard, highlight the second heading, while still holding down Control. I'm going to let Control go to find the third heading, but before I do anything, when I find it, I'm going to hold down Control again and highlight that third heading. Now I let go of Control and I can scroll and see all 3 are highlighted at the same time. And I can do that keyboard shortcut of changing them to heading 2. So Ctrl+Alt+2, and all 3 of them change to heading 2. Now, if you want to change your default style keyboard shortcuts for heading 4 and 5, I will show you how to do that now. So you can right click on heading 4 and modify. Then under Format, we're going to choose Shortcut Key. And under Press New Shortcut Key, the cursor is blinking here, and all I have to do is put in Ctrl+Alt+4, and it will add it. I will assign it to it, and then close, and then hit OK. So now I'm going to go down to this References heading, and I'm going to make it a header 4, Ctrl+Alt+4, and now it's heading 4. And you can do the exact same thing for heading 5.